Alright, welcome back to Star Technology, not Galactic, New Horizons. Yesterday, oh, a trader. Yesterday we stopped just before we got this done here. The system that is gonna process the ores using the vibrating table and two fans here. Finished that today. I've restructured here a bit. I put some trees over here to get some wood, and yeah, I've prepared a bit of steel, so we're definitely not gonna run out today, hopefully. And also some copper plates, a bit more iron plates. Yeah, that's that. But let's see now. We need water. Can I waterlog some leaves? Do I have some? No. Let's see if that's gonna work. That's gonna be fine. Maybe I'm gonna actually put two here. And also two over here, depending on if we need more power. We don't need to run them actually very fast. We just need to run them at the speed so it can reach one block, basically. Let's make one of you. Then we need some gearboxes. Okay, don't have any. I have a lot of cogwheels. Then let's do this. Some shafts, belts, and let's get started. Also, I need one more of you. Okay. Alright, so maybe we are going to get the power from... So, first, definitely need this connection here. Then we are maybe coming from underneath here. And of course one more here. This one is then going in here. Then we have to get that orientation correct. Okay. This is gonna turn these around in the other direction, but that doesn't matter. I can't see anything here. Right, that doesn't matter at all. Just the deployers here. Oh, what are you doing? Oh. Okay. We have this actually working already. And I think maybe a bit more. Maybe let's do 32. But I can see the effect here, so we should get the purified ore. Let's do the next stuff here. How are we going to reach? I could just but I could technically put one in here and then actually just have this run at max speed, but that would then... Okay, you are annoying. Oh, we have purified iron ore here. That is very nice. That means... Okay, you are the correct orientation. So I will just extend that belt here. Oh, there. And it's gone. Okay. And with that, we should have all of them running now. Dust goes here. Perfect. Now how do we get this running? Easy. Should be easy. Connect all of them here. Then we will connect that up from here. Let's get... Let's get 2 cogs and then... Hey, what's up? Dude, I really love this stream. Thank you. Somehow I reached my follower goal of 70, but it says 69. Did you just follow me? But I don't have... Ah, now. Now it's updated to 70. Nice. Are you also playing Greg Tech Mod Black? Are you playing GTNH or Star Technology? Oh, there we go. This is working. Nice. So then we have this one. I cannot just plug this in here because these are both the same rotation. We have to do this, and actually we're gonna do the same thing as before. Yep, I actually made a big mistake here. What is this? That is the purified deny list. Goes here. That is the purified deny list, but that should be then... No. Stop. going here. Then this is the purified allow list. That should go here. Okay. So what do we have here? We have normal dust. That shouldn't be there. Anyway, right now is this already linked up here? One sec. Let's get the here are the tools, and then let's make some more drawers. Yeah, I guess that's not linked up here. Okay, then we put, for example, the sulfur, iron, tin, nickel. That goes in here. And now we need more gearboxes. Okay, what direction do we have? Then if that's this way, then the other side is not correct. That means, though, if I put you here, I do this, and then this. And then we just undo that. And we are just gonna extend this one again. Okay. Gold and nickel. Gold can go here. There's gallium. Copper dust is missing. But we can already... No, that's all stuff that needs to be purified. Let me turn this off. No, it's fine. Can I just throw this on top? Yeah. Nope. Okay, that's too many. Here. And then here. Okay. That should be fine now. Maybe we should get 2 washers. Because right now only one of the vibration tables are working. Yeah, let's get 2 of them. So we need two, 1, 2, and then again. The thing is, though, I think if I put the gearbox there, it's gonna turn other way around. So if I put this one... Ah, no. I can't put that here. Okay, wait a minute. That needs to change here. This also needs to change. You can be like that. So first we're gonna try this. Thing is, this is now other way around. But can we actually change that? No. That means this doesn't work like that. You have to set this up a bit differently. So, if I put this here, no, that doesn't do anything. You could put one on the other side here. If I don't do this, and let's check this one later. Let's put this back. Wait a minute. Okay. So if we put one here, that's the wrong way. If we connect this, is that correct? That's also wrong. So this doesn't even work. No, no, no. Copper dust. Alright, you didn't have anything. Oh no. Okay. Let's do this again. I could put the fence underneath, though. Yeah. Let's try that. So can this water... We do this, and then... Does this water stay in there? Nice. Same thing we're gonna do here. Alright, I just broke these two. Okay. Then let's see how we're gonna do this. Could just let's get more. Here. Actually, I need more, but anyway. There's that. Then we combine these because they all need to turn in the same direction. We have this incoming here. Wait. This goes here. And that would be running now at full speed, which I don't want. I can do this. And do this. Is that going? Yeah, that's correct. Going this way. Maybe I should do a bit more. Ah. Maybe we should do 64. It's definitely working, but this one is not. Because you have the thingy here in the way. Is that the... No. That is not the case over here. Why are you not turning into purified? Okay, just in case it's because of this one, I'm gonna remove it. Ah, damn. That was not planned. Okay. Allow list of purified, yep. That goes here. Deny list of crushed. Ah, no. That goes here. And then the allow list is... Wait, there's one missing. Here. We allow purified and we deny purified over here. And then we do round robin, round robin, round robin. Okay. And then now we need to get some power from here maybe. Actually, wait. Can just do that from here. Wait, is that still doing... Ah, now I understand. Wait a minute. This is, of course, because... Yeah, that's why I use chain drives, of course. Encased chain... Do I still have? One. Because in the rotation matters here, we need them all turning in the correct way. Okay, now all should be wrong. Yeah. So we do it. And 32 was probably fine. Okay, looks good. Yep. Are you correct or no? Yes. Nice. And then we're gonna connect up this one again after I get one more wait, purified stuff goes here and crushed goes over here. Okay. Let's see. They are all working. This one should also work. All right. Looks good, looks good. Locking. That is ore processing. And we should, with that, have enough resources for now. Before we do the entire process in the future, of course, with GregTech multiblocks. But for now, that's a pretty cheap setup for processing all the ores. I really want... I don't want to tear it down, actually, but I think I should have put at least 3 or 4 of these washers. I thought these are way faster than the vibration tables. But I think we could have put 3. Especially this side is pretty slow. Oh, what's this here? Magnetite dust. Nickel, tin. Okay, magnetite is missing. Let's add the recipe here. Oh, somewhere I have it already. Oh, here. There you go, that's magnetite. Next to this, in this area here, I will construct some smelting area. We want an area where we can drop off stuff to be smelted. That's the next project. Instead of this setup here. But it's gonna be similar. So, what we need... First of all, let's use some polished granite for that. And we need filtered... We need the smart chutes again. Okay. Any... Do I maybe still have? Oh, nice. We need 2 of these. And barrel. So what I want from that system is we have basically a space where the product is going after smelting. Then we have a smart chute that only lets through the product we want to smelt. Then we have fire on top here. So that means let's get some fans. I think with 3 fans we should have enough cooking speed to get these done fast. So 1 goes here, 1 goes here. No. That's where the lava goes. They go here. And then I need to... So can I use something like a fence? Not a fence, the... What is it? This one here, iron bars. Can I use that to protect? So let's try doing this. Get one of the lava buckets here. If not, we just need to extend that in this direction here. Ah, no, I cannot put them on the edge. Like if I put some lava here, can I still drop an item? Okay, let's say... Let's say we have the chute here on top. This one actually doesn't have to be a smart chute. Anyway. So I wanna smelt this. Ah. I just heard what I didn't wanna hear. Does this always happen? Yeah. Okay. So I need more lava before I continue this here. I don't have... That's 4 per. Yeah. Then... Let's get a few of these. We remove this again. We're gonna put it a bit more to the left. Let's say over here. That's this part. The fence. Right. Yeah, kind of. Like this. Okay. Then this should be then fine now. Also, before I do this here, close that. Okay. That's that, and then we need to connect the power and also the input. Normal shoot is fine. And we need a lot of... Yeah, we need more gearboxes and belts here. Okay, and then we need packager maybe here and here. One that's accepting items, then they go up here. And then the other items go back here and will be sent back to the wherever the storage is. Let's get one more bucket out of here. And the third one from here for now. Just gonna put it back later. And let's also get a filter. Deny, for example, cobblestone. Oh, I did that wrong. Wait a minute. I could have just done this. Then this. Okay. Lava goes here, here, and here. Then cobblestone is, for example, arriving here. Then gets dropped in here. Alright. Now the connection. We need to have all of them turning in the same direction again. To do that. Let's do maybe... It's gonna look a bit weird. And then... Encased chain roof. What's missing? Oh, everything's missing. Logs. Here. nuggets. This way, and then wait, can I do these? Do not combine like this, right? Yeah, no. But like this. What is happening here? Zinc. Oh. Zinc is missing. Nice, good amount of gold. 930 copper. Is this day one? Hey, Coffee on YouTube. This is day 3. Or the 3rd stream, basically. First stream we just built the basics here. The contraption here that does all of the basic stamping, mixing, and the kiln, coke oven, the water wheels. Day 2 was the processing of cobblestone and the sieves. And now ore processing and smelting area. One sec. What is that? Okay. Okay. Then let's power this. We need a rotation speed controller. And one of these. And one of this. And a large wheel. So, I mean, I can just connect it over here, right? Don't have enough chain drives. Okay. Then we're gonna do this. Okay, are they all turning in the... Is this one... These two are clearly the correct way. Wait a minute. Oh, this doesn't even block it? Then we have to do this for a sec. Ah, no. This one is wrong. Then we do the following. We do the following. We do remove this one. This one stays here. This one goes here. And then turn it other way around. Right. Yeah. Okay. Let's drop this in here. There it is. 28 stone. Let's take the filter and put, for example, copper and iron on this and gold. Then we take 2 of this, 2 of this, 1 of this. Yeah. Wait, if I use a smart shoot here, is that faster? So we often need this stuff here. Not the kelp. If I put on the allow list, not the slime ball, but the other one. What is it? Sticky resin. Oh yeah, these two. Ah. Right, there was a problem with these. But I can put, I think, a list in here. Wait, no, that's the deny list. Yeah. So I do this. And then I also deny slime bolts. Ah, but we need slime bolts for package frog ports. Okay, then. Oh, did I do that last time? Hey, Pupstar. How are you this early morning? It's not early morning for me. It's evening already. But yeah, we're progressing the first create machines. First create contraptions here. Okay, let's just do this for now. So we get some slime balls. And then... Oh, why did you... What happened here? What the hell? No, 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 no. Then I need to close this off. Ah, they are being pushed by that fan. Makes sense. But there's the slime balls. Maybe we're gonna have some extra filter over here to occasionally do some of the sticky resin. And if we have a few stacks of that, we are fine again. Put some extra barrel underneath here. Have the extra filter in here. Change that out. And then turn this into the sticky resin. Actually just 3. Oof, it's 7:40 AM. Round up by a minute. First thing in the morning watching some Greg on Twitch. Most important thing in the morning. Okay. I think that is good. Now we need to connect that. I mean, it could be worse. I could be playing some Greg this early. Yeah. What chapter are you on right now? This chapter 1 here, the early game. I'm not really progressing through the quests right now. Since my playthrough is using only the grade logistics, I have to set up all the basic automation with the crate machines, then connect everything up with using frog ports. Then we need somewhere some main storage, and at this area we are going to set up auto crafting or something. Or I could just put some... I could actually extend this granite wall into here and put some factory gauges on here for maintaining ingots. That we always have at least like 2 stacks of iron ingots, 2 stacks of copper, and so on. To do that though, we need to first connect that up. We need 2 more barrels, 2 packagers. Actually a repackager, right? Okay, that's just crafted like this. Also, remove this here. Don't need that right now. And do we have anything? Rockport? No, nothing. Okay. Let's make 2 of these. Also, now I know why I need these signs. That's for sending back stuff to the main storage. And we need redstone signals for the repackager. First of all, we need redstone. I love how people can be on similar parts and still have major difference. Like, I'm also on the first chapter, all I need to progress is jungle sapping. Ah, yeah. First chapter is... it's very long, I think, compared to, for example... I think this one is pretty fast. The second here. LV and MV. You just need extruders, some EBFs, and the rest is easy peasy. But then is HV and EV and IV. That's gonna take long again. Okay, we got another one here. Turn this one into a repackager. 2 more barrels and also item pipes. And we need the... do we need stocklings? Probably. Okay, let's do the following. Let's get another barrel. Another rockport. Packager. And another stocklink. We will set up some temporary main storage. And some factory gauges if we have. We have none. I need stocklinks again. Gold plates. The 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And some gold plates. Okay. Two, 3. Good. So, now let's do that around here and here. Have the repackager here, the packager here. Then we connect this one up to here, and that's the smelter. And this one, it doesn't really matter, but I think we have to do this, call it storage or something, and then give it a redstone signal. And then somewhere else where we have a barrel, or basically the main storage. Oh, where's my another packager? Okay, and this one, I think this one we just call storage, which will receive the package, put it in here. And we just have to link everything up. by doing this and that, right? I think you also need one. And what we're gonna do then, let's test if that's working. So copper dust or iron dust. There's my normal iron dust here. Good. Oh, no, wait. I haven't connected this one. That's why it won't be working. We need one more of this. Probably soon this will all be auto-crafted. No more crafting these components by hand. And a packager. Right. Yeah. Then this. This. Then this is the dust supply. Send packages only. Send only. This one. Send it, receive. Okay. Now we have this linked up. And we know now, yeah, okay, it's working. So we have 179 iron dust. And if I put here iron ingot, we have 0. Good. Then was that like that? 1 dust turns into, let's do 16 into 16. Enter the address where this recipe's... Ah, yeah, right. And that was then smelter. Give this 2 minutes to refresh. And then target amount is a stack. So theoretically, you are going now to here. Then we take this item pipe. Of course I don't have enough. Then you do this. You should receive the iron dust, which is very slow. Maybe I should actually put this higher up. And put some conveyor. I think that's better. Because that is super slow. But then here I also need a conveyor. Anyway, let's see if that's working for now, and then we can change that to conveyors. Especially sending back. Okay, that's not working. Maybe we don't need this. It's called storage, right? Yeah. Maybe I need to put that into the packager directly. Oh, what was that? I know, you just reset the craft after 2 minutes. No, this is not working. Let's check repackager, Or is it actually just a packager? Wait a minute, maybe it's actually just a packager. Maybe we don't even need the repackager. Then I think this sign storage redstone. No. No, without the stock link. Yeah, without the stock link it was. And there we go, that's the iron. Okay. Then you go back. Hey. Okay. But this is too slow, the transportation here. Let's get rid of this. Or what's the upgrade first? The first upgrade here is heavy conveyors am Invar. I mean... No, okay. Shafts, conveyor. Oh, I don't have any. Mechanical belt. So... until here. Then we need this one in front of here. But then on the way back... But it's... Okay, whatever. No. We're just gonna use the item pipes here. For now. Actually, I can probably do this directly. Yeah, I can see the stuff going in there. We can save this one barrel here. What? Alright, I haven't set up the magnetite here. That's okay. Anyway, the smelting speed is very nice here. So let's take some space here to set up the first thing I want to automate is the crafting of all packagers and that stuff here. I also need the plates. I need the plates too. So next thing goes maybe here. Just a small contraption for the plates. We just need this one. And the depot. I'm gonna use a robot arm. Not a robot arm, what is this? What, mechanical arm or something? Yeah, this one. That is going to make this pretty easy, I think. We have 2 barrels. We need this stuff again. This. And wait. Didn't I just craft one and I had one in my inventory as well? Then we need 2 of them. Packager, we also need 2. We have this. We need some gearboxes. Okay. Let's set this up. Can actually still put it in between here. This is super easy, quick. So we just have this one here. I need the robot arm. Completely forgot that. Mechanical arm. Yeah, no. So first, how was that again? Select belts, depots by right-clicking them while holding the mechanical arm in your... Yeah. Take items from depot. No. I want them deposit to the depot. Why can I not take from the... Oh, okay, yeah, you need to take it from a depot, I think. Okay, no. Then we're not gonna use a robot arm. And we're just gonna do this. Let's take some cover. Here. This. Then we have this here. No. Like that. This goes here. Packages. I mean, it's basically a bender on circuit 1, right? Except for steel and stuff. No. Let's just call it bending machine, basically. And then later we will change that anyway to a graphic machine. You are storage again. Send it back. Stock link. Link that to the system. Okay. We need 2 more. We need 2 andesite funnels. And some chain drives. So first of all, here's nothing. This, that, and then 3 chain drives. Now we need to extend the platform here a bit. I forgot the andesite funnels. Hello? Ah. Let's connect maybe to this one. Damn it. Of course. Then not gonna rebuild the packages now. Okay. It's that. Then we need andesite funnels. What? Do we not have dredge? Okay, iron plate. Alright. Should be working. And we're gonna put iron ingots here, iron plates here. Link that up in the bender. Let's turn 16 into 16. And we want 32. You should be sending that now out to here. What? Ah, no. That's plates basically done. We have so much space in behind here. First, though, I need to set up storage. Not this one. Before I continue now, I think it's a good idea to have... Maybe we're gonna use the item boards. Because the colossal chest was pretty laggy last time. No, actually I need to use... Or can I... Can I... put in the crafting terminal... Can I put that on one of these? Probably not. What if I put... What? Wait. Ah, there's nothing anymore. What if I put this... Oh! Wait, I can actually put that on one of these vaults. The problem is... You're probably gonna have multiple vaults. But we can link that up with Tom Storage. We can use the inventory cable connectors, right? And then have that connected to a terminal. So it would be fine, actually. So, item vault. Let's create an area next to here. And maybe this is gonna be where the first storage is gonna live. What's the max size? I don't have enough. Barrels. Okay. Oh no, still not enough. So maybe we can even go bigger. Let's take these iron plates out of here. You're gonna start immediately making new ones, right? Yep. We still have wood. Make some barrels. Okay, let's see now. Maybe also this way. One more here. Oh, what? Oh, what? Wait, is that? Ah, no, now I can see the connection here. Okay, I think that's the max size here. That should be good amount of storage. And we can connect the, let's connect the storage up here. First of all, we need to move this one. With a new storage now. Break this. Break this. That. Okay, link this up again. Put this in here. Okay. And I guess we just connect then a bunch of packages along this way. All this storage. And basically dump everything in here. Stocklinks too. Stocklinks need to be, of course. We need, of course, one connected here. Right. To this. And let's get some granite. I can find it now in here. Oh, good. And let's put a wall. Set up some basic automation here. We have... Okay, we have iron dot. Wait, I can just take that from here. Let's do iron, copper, iron, and gold for now. Then we have here the copper ingot, iron ingot, gold ingot. Iron and gold. Connect, connect, connect. And I'm doing 32 into 32 at the smelter. And copper, we want to keep 2 stacks in the system. Same as iron. Here also 32. Two stacks of that. Gold, however, we don't have that much for now, so I'm gonna do 8 per request. We're gonna do 32 ingots in the system. Okay. Let's bring the other stuff. Ah, damn it. Hopefully the storage is not almost full if I move everything over. There was some copper dust in here. I don't really want to keep that now in here. I want to have as much as possible only in the dedicated storages. Copper here. Do I have... here's glowstone now. That goes here. Then this goes here. Amethyst. Okay. Something still is being requested. Ah, gold. Task completed. What? Which task? Wrought iron plates. Ah, okay, for the LV machine hole. Stone. We also need to work on getting obsidian to make the void upgrades, because we don't wanna basically have the systems overflow, then they will stop once the drawers are full. Okay. Can I somewhere see how much percentage that thing is full? Probably I can. There's probably a great way to see how much is in there actually. Oh. Ah, because you requested the gravel. Oh, wait a minute. If I do it like that, I will never have gravel in my system. Let's see. Let's see if that's gonna be a problem in the future. Okay, almost done. Okay, that's it. Then that's locking. I think I forgot to lock the dusts here. Ah, no. Actually, or no. Okay. We migrated the storage over. More granite, because we also need to set up some wall over here, where we define some bending recipes. We need more factory gauges though, first. And that means we need some stocklinks. Which means we need a few of these. And then these. And then... Ah. What? There we go. Link them up. And here we do the same thing. Oh. We have copper here, we have iron here, and we have gold here. And we need the copper plates. Wait, what did I just... Where is it? Where... Pressing. Okay. Gold. Iron. Oh. Iron. Copper. No. At the bender. Turn 16 into 16. Sixteen. Oh, I thought I'm just gonna reset the open promise that there was. Okay. Target them. Ah, right, target amount. So half a stack is fine. So on to gold plates. We don't have any. Okay, then. What? Nah. Stop. Here we just do 4 into 4. And then we have 8 in the system. Good. But that's definitely not all what we need to do. This is just some basics here. Next we need... We need to craft stuff. We need to craft a lot of things. That means... Can you still go? Oh, that's close. Why did I do that that close? Okay. Behind here, probably I'm gonna put the crafting wall. But first, we need to build the crafting machine. Which can maybe go behind here. I had the problem in my last time I played this that the crafter was too slow. It was accepting items way too slow, repackaging them too slow. So we need a bigger storage here. So we also need a vault. We need a vault again. First I'm gonna build that with dirt. So let's say we're gonna add... we're gonna build this over here. No, we're gonna build this over here. It's fine. Let's say we have the... a vault here. Well, maybe not that much big, maybe, but... this much should be definitely enough for buffer. And then we have 4 inputs here. We have 4 inputs. 3 outputs. Wait, no, we need to go a bit more this way. And here is stuff coming back. Probably. Here we put some repackagers. Let me get some different block. Alright. We're gonna put some repackagers here. Have them drop the stuff on the belt that is actually distributing the recipes, the packages with recipes along here. And then we need some tunnels. Marked by the blackstone. So let's say first tunnel here, round robin. And I think we can then use a packager again, right? Wait. Let me check some... Yeah, I think it's a packager into a crafter. Yeah. Oh, we actually don't even need the funnel in a tunnel. We can actually just put the packager here. Have this one go into a crafter. Like so. Which which then outputs that again to a chest. I can do, or should I? Can do a chest, but I can also do. I think the fastest way is really chest and item pipe. Probably right. If you put a chest here or a barrel, and then item pipe that back into the package, or then sensed back to the storage. So I don't need to keep. Don't need to have that much distance here. And then we will do another one. Packager into this crafter. But we need to have this one stop here. Oh no, wait, I'm gonna do actually 3. I'm gonna do immediately 3 this time. And the last one is then wait, belt is here. I can do funnel, like funnel packager that has to go into the crafter. First we have to go this way maybe. And now then we have the same problem. Anyway, this should be fine. Yeah, and then we pipe that stuff back into the beginning here. No, this is definitely gonna overflow here. But I can put, I think I can put, I can put another. Wait, can a funnel take stuff from a depot? Wait. Create funnel depot. Seems like that is possible. So we could end the last one here then on a funnel. Like here. And then have again a depot funnel rafter. Output chest. Alright. That should work. So, one sec. Okay, so then we need a bunch of crafters and vaults and packages. Let's start with the crafters. For that we need the brass casing, I think I have. Wait, I can just recycle these ones here because I don't think I'm gonna make more crushing wheels. Okay, and then we need a few more. Okay. Mm, some of these. Nice. That's enough. Let's get rid of the dirt here. Okay, and we need to switch these around like that, and then here goes the barrel. And also we need to link them up. That was something I learned last time. Otherwise the recipes won't be recognized. Okay, and the last one. Okay. Then let's get some barrels. The one for the output. And then here for the crafting recipe results. Actually, if I put a chute here, some Yeah, we can do this actually with conveyors. Anyway, we need repackages. We need packages and repackages. And we need some belts. Let's do the belts first. And the depot. From here to this depot. Here we have chutes. And on top of that, repackages. For now, I will just put one. And because we don't have automation here for the packager crafting, it would take quite a while if we make all of them. How many can we actually make? Okay, I think that's good. This one then goes here. I think I have to give it a redstone signal. Then we have some andesite funnels. Did I not save that here? Ah, here. Also remove this. Okay, you remove. Then packages into the crafter. This, that, and this, and then the arrow has to point inwards. Yeah. That should work. And here, I'm gonna make this one smaller. So we can actually do this. And then I think that andesite funnel should be fine. If that is too less speed, we can put the brass one there. Shoots. Alright. Then we need still the big one here. Item vaults. Yeah, it's probably requesting more iron plates. That's exactly what we want. And then we have one packager here for now. And one frog port. Alright, I need to make more vaults again. Frog port and a dock link. Oh. Connect the first one here. This one is crafter. Link that up. We need one more packager and one more rock port and a sign. That is for sending stuff back into storage. Don't need to name that. Send only. Okay. We should be good to go. Then now we need to just power the system. Like so. And if we get some power from here. Maybe that's a bad idea. Wait a minute. That's pretty cramped. Maybe we have stuff over here already. So why I don't just use this one for the crafter. Oh. Yeah. There we go. That is the first power fail now after the water wheel expansion. Maybe we're gonna start with only one. Ah, no, now we have set it up so. Hi, hypercrafting. What's up? Ore processing is running. Smeltery is running. Plate machine is running. Now it's the crafter. But I don't have power. I don't have enough power. We need to get some wood. We need to get a lot of wood. Because we need to expand the water wheel system. And we also need wood for building it. That's why I have the second diamond axe. I'm surprised you haven't made an automatic tree farm. Yeah, I kind of wanted to not do that this time because I think I'm not gonna do steam power. But yeah, since most of the factory contraptions thingies need a lot of barrels, I think I still need to make a wood farm anyway. But I wanted to actually wait for the... what's the first multi-block? The tree greenhouse, right? Is that something... Oh, we can even make that with LV. What the heck? Easy peasy. Wait a minute. I thought we have to wait until Ivy for this. But maybe I thought about GTNH. Then we can just use the Gregway. It takes less space. Way less space, way less lag. Okay, first we're gonna expand the base here. I'm just gonna add some water wheels to here. Okay. Then this, that. Okay. Good. Then we need the water wheels. That is pretty cheap to do, yeah, that's just wood. Okay, dump that in here. And then water wheel. I'm not gonna make 65, I'm gonna make 32. First of all, 16 on both sides. That should be a good power increase. Let's make some more buckets. Anyway, we might need them later. Okay. 32 water wheels, that means like 16,000 SU maybe? That is like 2 diesel engines. Wait. No, they don't even say that, but it's the steam engines can go until 16,000, I think, so. Huge diesel engines do 12k, okay. Nice. Yeah, we will switch to that as soon as we have all the crafting set up. Then we can easily craft all the components required. Ah, it was 8. Are this... No. No, it's not missing. Okay, that should be now enough for turning on the crafters. Oh, where's my belt? Here we go. Okay, good. It is on. They should add an infinite water wand. Yeah. That would be nice. Okay. Time for a test after we extend the base area here. And here we will use granite again. Yeah. Do I have more? Nope. I think last time I used something like the factory blocks or something. That was better. They look actually better for this. Okay, we will start with the first crafting wall. And actually I should put this one on the other side. Okay. Let's start with the basics here. We have... first let's make factory gauges. Let's get everything for factory gauges because that is what we need a lot of right now. Okay, we have 4 now. can turn logs into oak planks, for example, now. And then turn these... and turn iron into nuggets, and nuggets with andesite into andesite ingots. So we start here in the bottom. We have oak logs. Oh, I didn't. Did I link them up? Yeah, I did. Okay, and we have planks. Craft that in the crafter. And yeah, 2 stacks I want to have in the system. So you should send now. Oh no, that doesn't work. Oh, I also completely forgot to set up this. But I thought the repackager is now gonna pull this out and do that. Does it not do it because the belt is not running? Wait a minute. And first we need some gearbox and shafts. Packager's not pointing. Oh, it's not pointing into the. No. It's pointing to the chute. Like that. But wait, first we need to... First we need to set up this here. By doing this, and then we need some encased chain. Hopefully the rotation is correct. Yeah. Nice. Oh. This, and then we just connect this, and you on the other side will then also be correct. Huh? Ah. Right. Yeah. Okay, then we turn this back on. No. Wait, can the repackager not pull out from an item vault? Or can it not put into a chute? Maybe I need to put a barrel here. Wait a minute. Barrel? No. Wait, repackager. Sometimes it's good. Yeah, that's what we know. Then we have 2 different orders. Then we have empower it with redstone. That is what we are doing. And then they have a funnel here, but we have a chute, so that's fine. Oh wait, no, you need to push the packages directly into the vault from the frogport. Right. I'm doing this wrong. We don't need to unpack that. Wait, how can I get my items out of here again? I know how. First of all, Stop this. I should make more of these terminals if I work more with the item bolts. And then I just put a barrel here, right? And then have a item pipe. If they actually work with they can put that into the vault. Okay, let's try that again. Ah, there we go. But now, yeah, that's wrong because we still have this one here. Here needs to be this. Then you go here, and there it's crafting. It's already on the way back. There it is. Okay, that's what it was. Good. Wait, do we even need the stock link here? We do, right? Otherwise, how should it know? Let me try that. If I remove this. Or can they just directly send it to here? Seems like. Yeah, no, we don't need it. Okay, good. That's basic wood processing. Then we need factory gauges for iron to iron nuggets. Put this back here. We have iron nuggets here. Iron ingot. And that goes here. Crafter. 1 minute. Also have a stack of that. Then we need more factory gauges again. Then we have andesite and andesite. And here we're gonna make andesite alloy from this and that. Huh? Crafter. And we always want a stack of that, and we have already enough. Then we need again more factory gauges. What do we need now here? We need stock links, right? Item boards. There's that. Stock links. Plus this. More factory gauges. Okay. That is that, and then we're gonna combine these to Make some shafts. So we have a stack of that. And here, now we're gonna make the gears, the large cogwheel and the small one, from wood and the shafts. Rafter. And we wanna have, not a stack, but 8 of the large ones. Rafter. And here we want 60, 24. Crafting is happening. Nice. Next up, precision mechanism. We also need gold plates. We can add them just maybe over here. You can always rearrange stuff later on. And here we're gonna make these now from this, that, and the nugget. Or of these I want to have in stock. If you set multiple gauges for the same thing, would it send requests in parallel? I don't know. But why would I do that? What do you mean, why? I mean, they already sent... and they don't really send it in parallel, but that's why for the processing stuff I put... I always have the stack size higher. But I think here you can only do one item at a time. Just curious about it. I mean, maybe for late game, if we need to craft a lot of things, I will maybe try to do that. But honestly, if everything is running on passive, we should never be really have the need to make a lot of items at once, right? Hopefully. Right now we have 4 of these. And next up is the stocklings. Now we need more stocklings to make that. And first, we start here with copper ingots to make these. Copper ingots here, also copper plates maybe then here. And redstone we also need. Then we are out of gauges again. Do we not have walls? Oh no, we have a few. Maybe I should actually make the barrels here first, because we have wood here. Put that up here. Anyway, so first of all, make a bunch of the U. 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 4. That's 8 more. Okay. So then, anyway, let's start with this one. We have the rod here. Rafter. This one we just need like 4. This doesn't really matter. Then make this one from the transmitter from this, that, this. Also just keep 4 in the system. Then we need to make the barrels by first making slabs from the planks. Then we maybe gonna put the barrel over here, iron plate here. I have 12 in the system. I always want a bit more of these. And now also the item walls. Where is it? Iron plates. And here the item walls. Of these I want 18 in the system. Okay. Actually, I'm gonna increase the stack size of the iron plates for that. Gonna make it into 1 stack. Now we are going. Yes. That's what we want here. Oh, we have packages flying around here. Wait a minute. Why? What are you doing? This is going to store. Ah, okay, we have the problem again that this one is overloaded. I need to immediately add a lot of these. Yeah. This is bad. Do we have right now any... We have a packager? Do we have a frog port? Let's put one here already. And a stock link has to have one here. Well, this storage, and you should also, yeah. Now we have 2 working here. That's better. You're struggling with making enough. Ah, because we have not defined any amount we want to keep here. That's why you are not working. Okay, now could move this one down again. Maybe like so. And the next gauge after this is of course the stock link. Crafted from this and that. Here I actually set this to 2 minutes. Same as this one. This might take a bit longer. And here I want to have 6 in the system. Okay. And then finally we combine both into the factory gauge. Factory gauges, I wanna have 8. Nice. What we also need, let's get some of these factory gauges out here. We need to set up frog ports. And the side we already have, we just need slime ball. Slime ball on here. Then rock ports we can just do here. From that, this, and andesite. And here 4. And then we have the packager. Packager. That's the repackager. The problem is cardboards. We don't have cardboards yet automated. I need to I think this is also too slow now already. It's already, wait, barrel, no barrels. Frog ports. Okay, wait. Rock. Now we have a lot of stuff in here, so we should get... Can we make another packager? No, that's not the problem. Oh, this might be actually going back here. You're mostly waiting on making these, and this is probably timing out, and you're trying to make more. Yeah, I'm gonna do this here. It was just too much right now. Okay. Ah, okay, that's also another problem. You have more packages. Right. The packages wasn't fast enough to put these back. Problem is we have packages in here. Not good. That is not good. That we should not have in here. We quickly make one more of you. Okay. This should be, of course, not the case. Oh, you should have been able to make that. Hmm. Okay. Basics are set up. Next, cardboards. We can build a system behind here to make cardboards. For that we need water, and we need the sugarcane from here. For now I will just put these in the storage. Because we will build some real large farm area somewhere. So let me just grab these and put them. No, not that one. Put them in the chest here. We need to mix that with water. So, mixer. We need a mixer. This and that. Oh, we also need to automate the casings here. Basin. And we need some brass funnel. And a filter. I think we need to say that the output can only be the pulp. Some wool. And of course belt. Ah. Kelp, dried kelp. Oh, we can also... we cannot really automate the gearbox yet because we don't have the andesite casings, but soon. So then let's put that behind here. Oh, we also need a source of water, so accumulator is just a bit of lead. Yeah, let's do that instead. How much? We have no lead, but we have blackstone, right? Oh, we have to crush that. And also, anyways, they have to set up that correctly. Crushed blackstone, that was in here now. Should be in here soon. No? Ah, maybe. I didn't link the storage. Yeah, these two are missing. So we got stibnite here. And galena. Then we are going to request that over here. After crushed that, purified, and the dust. Purified and the dust. Purified here. Then here as well. Dust. And here. And this here. Okay. Then 2 factory gauges. I also need more drawers. And factory gauges. 1, 2. Then we're gonna request this one here. This one here. The stack. And another stack. Okay, incoming here. We need to check what kind of dust we get here as byproducts. Cinnabar and antimony. And the galena gives a bit of silver. And sulfur. Sulfur we already have. But the other stuff we don't. Oh. There's the stibnite. Silver. Nothing. Galena. Lock that. And then let's see how much we will get from that. Hopefully. Yeah, wait, we already have 12. That is enough lead. For a few ingots. Galena dust. Ah, right. I need to set up the filter for the smelter. Okay. Then wait, what is clay dust? Okay, so this I have everything already. Let's get some of these here. Okay, what we need to do for the pulp is basically we can do that here. We don't need to do that much. We just need to request sugarcane, and then we have a drawer that is supplying the system with pulp. So that means I should bring some dirt. And also we need a packager here, where we need a drawer. Should automate that probably as well. Just one is fine. Then an iron upgrade. What was the name? To limit the stack size to 1. Wait, add functional. Here. Downgrade, of course. Yeah. It is a downgrade. I think we have basically everything here. Oh, we don't have packages. Wait a minute. We need to do packages here. Also a stock link. And some barrels. I forgot. At least one barrel. Okay. we will have the redstone going here. Then barrel goes not there. Barrel goes just next to this here. And packager. Request sugar cane. How did I call that in request ore? Yeah. So request sugarcane here. And what we want is this linked up sugarcane. And we want a stack in here. Then we will have the conveyor. Is this? Yeah, the rotation is already correct. Nice. Here we go into this basin. Here. The funnel is missing. No, I made them here. And here. Yeah, like this and like that. This way. And then... wait, that's not possible. That is... Okay, then we're gonna do... Do that enter here. Here we filter the allow list for pulp, right? If I do this. Where's the dirt? Ah, okay. And we will have the drawer going here. Then another packager. Stock link. And connect that here. And that is the pulp supply. Only send packages. Plus we have to install the downgrade. Then we also need some more funnels here. One here, one here. So, sugarcane is in here, that's perfect. We need to mix that. Powering this with a... that. No. Okay, then put the concrete on top. Also, yeah, we need to Let's get the water first here. Do not forget that. And the accumulator goes here. Then we pump the water into here. And there we go. That should be all. $18, $19. We're getting around 1 per second. That is definitely enough. Nice, nice, nice. Next is compressing that into some factory gauges. Link them. Compressing that into cardboard. Pulp into cardboard on the bender. And send 8 to 8. Also have a stack of this. Go in here. There we go. That's the cardboard done. Then we need to craft that. Craft the cardboard into blocks of cardboard. The crafter. And 4 is actually enough. We don't really need these. What we need is the next step. Link them. We need to make packages from this redstone, iron, at the crafter. And we have 4 rock bullets, so we're gonna keep 4 packages. And there we go. That's all the components, right? Stocklings we have, repackages we can just make in by hand. This is all item vaults. We can now continue with some basic crate components like the brass. Ah, right, we need to make casings, so let's get brass. And then we're gonna make casings. So first, brass dust. We have... Let's do maybe some alloying on the back here. Copper, zinc, which is gonna be combined into brass. At the crafter. This I could either set up a mixer or do that in a crafter. in the mixer, if we need to do a lot of these, I will probably change to a mixer because then we can do a bulk recipe. Right now I will just do it like this. And say we need 9. We don't really need that much. Make it 18. 16. Then you always have a bit more, but we will send 16 to the smelter. Okay, now we're gonna take that brass and dust, smelt that into brass ingots. Still have a lot of them, so I actually do 8. A stack is definitely enough. We also need brass plates. Rose quartz as well. So factory pages. So brass plates over here. Oh, into brass plates. And 4, no. Yeah, 4. 4. And here we're gonna keep 16 in the system. Next is rose quartz. And actually we need to build a small contraption for that again. I will do that next time, because I need to expand this space here. First we need to craft rose quartz. That's kinda an alloy. Another quartz. Also in the crafter, which can probably be done in the mixer too. Yeah. And here 4. 4 is fine. And we will just send it here afterwards to the belt grinder after I set it up. Then andesite funnels. Okay, factory gauges. Let's get all of these 10 out here. And we're gonna add right cap. With that, we're gonna make 2 things. We're gonna make mechanical belts and the andesite funnels. Let's have always 8 in the system. And of these, let's always have 4 in the system. Then we have That's fine, we don't need to automate these. Cardboard, stock limiter, barrels. I have cardboard packages, everything, factory gauges, oak signs. I still need to make. Rotation speed controllers. That is after we make brass casings. Okay, but let's do the brass funnel and brass tunnel now. So we need to add something here. That is the electron tubes. Ah, wait, I'm gonna do this here. Then we add the rose quartz. The polished version. Iron plates. Four. And then afterwards have two more things over here. One is brass funnels. This at this crafter. And here I want four. And the tunnels as well. This and this. Also 4. Okay. These are not gonna be crafted right now because we're missing these. Because we're missing the belt grinder setup. That's okay for now. Precision mechanism we got. Chutes and smart chutes. First, we can make the chutes here. I have always 4 in this system, and then no, you are these, and then you're gonna move to here. That, and then what else? Is that a brass plate or a gold? No, a brass plate. More factory gauge. What was that? Brass plate. And here I always want 4 as well. And that is in that. Okay, we should get these items soon. Okay. All right. Good. That's the first basics automated. Next time we will continue with the belt grinder here. We will set this one up for the rose quartz, and we will maybe look into some rubber automation with the centrifuge and the compressor. And then we will set up, we will check, yeah, we will automate some of these components here for the first LV components, because we need a lot of ULV input hatches and input buses, ULV input buses and output buses for the farms we're gonna set up for the diesel production, the diesel setup. We also need to set up witch water for the blackstone to automate that. Many more things to do here in LV. But we got components now automated that are making the automation easier. Alright. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Let's see who is online. Ah, okay. Alright. Let's rate. Go.